Now suppose you have a web application and you have deployed this application on multiple environments. So for development you have deployed it on development environment, for testing you have deployed it on testing environment, and for production, which is your actual server, you have deployed it on production environment. So databases of all these three environments is different. So how will you configure the database URL in the code? Will you actually hard code the database URL for dev, then rebuild the code and then deploy on dev? If you want to testing environment, you will hard code testing. Similarly for production. Is this the way to go about this? Or there could be a way that you could pass the URL of the environment externally and build the code, and code will able to absorb the external URL that you have passed and build your code according to it. Is it possible or not? It is possible, and it is possible using Maven Profiles. Okay, so Maven Profiles are used to separate configurations of different environments, segregate and separate. So let's see an example of Maven Profile. So if we see this code here, I have the profiles section. So in this profiles section, I have mentioned 3 profiles, or majorly we can say 2 profiles. I've created one profile for dev. So I have given the name dev, and here I have configured 2 properties. First is the environment name. Okay, I have environment name. This is dev, and second is the database URL. So this is my local environment URL. Okay, similarly I have a similar profile for production environment. Okay, so ID is prod. I have given the environment name as prod and the database URL as prod. So now if I want to build the code for my dev environment, what I will do is I will simply write mvn clean install -p and the ID of the profile that I want to call. So in this case I want to call this profile, so I will pass this. Okay, so I need to -p is used for activating a profile or calling a profile, and then you need to pass the ID of the profile without passing any explicit, without any spaces, etc. Okay, so in this case when this code will run, so this is the way how you can call profiles with your Maven builds. So -p, and if suppose I want to call prod, so I will type prod, and then it will read the configurations from the prod profile that we have defined here. It will ignore this dev profile and it will read the values from this prod profile. This is another profile similar that we have created to the dev profile. Okay, now suppose there are some common properties that don't change based on environment to environment. So is it advisable to configure those properties in dev separately, prod separately? Is it advisable? Or there could be a common profile which runs both, with both dev and prod, and you specify those properties there. Yes, it is possible. So apart from the dev and prod profile, I have created a default profile. Okay, and in this profile, if you specify this tag activation, and inside activation you write activate by default. Okay, in this case it will get activated irrespective of whether you call any profile or not, or you call dev profile, or you call prod profile. Okay, so here also you can configure some properties. Okay, now we have configured one more thing with profile, which is that this environment variable property that we have configured here, we are using it in the build section here. So this is the build section. Okay, and in this we are including application hyphen and then dollar and curly bracket stand for an expression. So in this expression we have environment. So this environment will map to this variable or this variable or this variable, depending upon which profile you have activated. If you have activated a dev profile, it will map with this variable and it will pass dev, and then this file name will become application hyphen dev dot properties, and we have this application hyphen dev dot properties here in our local file system. Here also you can configure some properties. So if you want to configure everything in property file environment wise, you can do it, and you can dynamically load this file based on which profile you have activated based on your environment variable, because you are creating the file name using this environment property, and this property is getting initialized specific to the Maven profile. So this is another way of maintaining configurations for different environments in a production grade application by using dynamic resource configurations. So you specify the build section and then you change the file name based on some property of the profile. Okay, so we can see application-prod for the prod environment and application-dev for the dev environment. Okay.